I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, if I die today.
Cold flows for a cold mind, see a new world, but I'm so blind. Kick rocks when your time's up, better start digging like a coal mine. Cold heart, seen cold times, it's a bold move, but the sunshine raise up when you...
Good morning, new 1%. It's your boy Boomin coming at you with yet another video. Go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you never miss a Boomin update. Got these updates every day, and you don't want to miss them. I'm a high tea and honey, locked and loaded, ready to go. Let's get this show started, guys. And today, another day, another development update is live. Looks like Input Output posted this. Our weekly Cardano development is live on Essential Cardano. Check out what our dev team has been up to and get the latest development progress. As always, welcome your feedback and comments. So let's take a look, guys. Thank you to Olga for the technical writer for posting this. Let's take a look at some key highlights. Vasil hard fork triggered on September 22nd. Dataless support Ledger JS library 5.1.0. Improved Marlowe constant validator. Ongoing development with the Mithril proof of concept. Fund 9 voting closed. 99 projects launched on Cardano. 1107 projects building on Cardano. 6.1 million native tokens. 62,000 token policies. 3,292 Plutus scripts and 50.4 million transactions on the blockchain, growing each day. So let's take a look. This week, we all know the Vasil hard fork was released. Full Vasil functionality, which includes support for reference inputs, inline datums, reference scripts, collateral inputs, and new Plutus cost model will become available to developers on mainnet September 27th. Diffusion pipelining, also implemented as part of the Vasil release, will improve scalability by further improving performance enhancements. A spike in activity is possible immediately following the upgrade as the community test drives capabilities. Monitoring will continue for at least 4 epochs post hard fork, at which point a decision will be made about further adjustments based on quote-unquote regular network bandwidth. We already talked about the ecosystem readiness. The Ledger team worked on error types in terms of organizational consistency, transaction output models, and improved different parameters for a more efficient script transaction deployment. The consensus team investigated ways for the UTXO HD meme pool integration and review code on the alternative implementation of diff sequences required by the UTXO HD feature. Dataless team added a voluntary anonymous analytics tracking to the application. They also added and tested Ledger JS library v5 1.0. Whatever. Development continued on Lace desktop features. Can't wait for that. If you don't know what Lace is, that is IOG's new light wallet coming out. Development continues to work on Lace. Team deployed the first proof of concept to test embedded dApps on the desktop application. Made improvements to the display of the local node sync process and added support for the preview and pre-production testing environments. The Adestra team released a GraphQL update with some of the fixes and improvements for the exchanges. They're also working on Get Cardano JS SDK production ready. Continuing with the implementation of multi-sig and light mode features in the Cardano wallet. The Plutus team continued improving documentation, made some hackage and API improvements, and ran more testing. The Marlowe team updated the validator to comply with constraint 4, replaced PK with address, and the specific Isabel proofs. And the Basho team, or scaling Hydra team, connected 2 Hydra node instances using cloud services to run a more persistent example application. They also fixed layer 2 transaction resubmission by using a TTL time to launch approach, and improve some flaky tests. Development work is ongoing with the Mithril proof of concept. This week, the Mithril team worked on the migration of the internal stores of the signer and aggregator nodes, also on the certification of SPOs registering the Mithril network. And then finally, guys, the governance team closed voting for Fund 9. Community participation on this fund surpassed expectations, with voting increasing by 53%. Voting power also increased, which shows more ADA being used across more proposals in the project catalyst, with 11% of all circulating ADA being used in Fund 9. That's actually pretty awesome. This number continues to grow and demonstrates that the Cardano community is making its voice heard. Guys, we have the largest DAO. It's insane. Fund 9 results will be shared early next week, and IOG wishes all the proposals the best of luck. Some stats: number of registered wallets 58,000, total voting power 3 billion, total votes cast 364,000, idea scale users 60,000 users. Pretty decent updates, guys. Just wanted to get you to the news. Let's go ahead and move on. Thank you to OneCom for sponsoring the channel. Please consider delegating your ADA to OneCom, guys. Find your favorite small stake pool operator out there and delegate your crypto to them. Okay, 0% fees until at least December 2022. And follow them on Twitter for news and notes for Cardano. Thank you to OneCom for sponsoring the channel. Let's go ahead and move on. And finally, guys, last week Cardano has announced their collaboration with Stanford to create the IOHK Stanford Blockchain Research Hub. This interdisciplinary laboratory will bring together researchers and academics to define new horizons on the world of decentralized technology. There's a short video here. Let's go ahead and play it, and then I'll give my thoughts.
Input-Output has always been, at its core, a research company. We've written over 150 papers. We have institutions and relationships all throughout the world. But we always knew that we were going to broaden not just the institutions, but the set of disciplines that we look at in order to be able to achieve our mission of improving the systems of the world for everyone everywhere. So here at Stanford, what's happened over the last 8 years has been this tour de force of intellectualism towards solving problems in the blockchain space. And there's a lot of amazing people at this university. And it got to a point where it made a lot of sense to set up a lab.
Set up a lab there, and can't wait to see what kind of cool stuff comes out of it. Stanford has been the bedrock of, research and development, so this is pretty awesome. Don't forget, Charles has another facility built in Carnegie Mellon University, another prestigious university as well. So we're just getting started, guys. Just getting started with Cardano. Can't wait to see what the future holds, and I'll be here every step of the way. I love you guys so much. Don't let your memes be dreams. I'll talk to you tomorrow with the Vechain and Cardano updates. Have an amazing day. And we're here. We're chopping wood daily, guys. No matter what the price is. I don't give a crap what the price is. Don't be coming in my freaking comment section talking about the price of Cardano or Vechain. Alright? Don't do it. Don't do it. It won't be good for your health. I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Thank you for tuning in and watching daily Vechain and Cardano videos on Satoshi Boomin channel. I want to say a wonderful shout out to our wonderful Patreons here: Maryland for Crypto, Anthony Andrews, Feruz Den, Kyle Bocci, CryptoSVT.si, Angeltopia, DNC Vale, Leon Jackson II, Kragan, All Flare LLC, Lucky Sunshine Token, and Catherine Braun. Guys, let's keep chopping wood. Don't let your memes be dreams, and thank you so much for your wonderful Patreon support.